Claude constantly updates the application by adding new features, tabs, or just fixing some errors. So our course also updates. And in this video, we are gonna cover two tabs that were added with the new update, so Scheduled tab and Projects tab. Let's start with the Scheduled tab. And this is the space where we can preview our tasks we previously scheduled. Very obvious. However, do you remember the moment when we were using the Claude Chrome extension to teach Claude a specific task and schedule it? So we could have done it also lately. However, right now we've got a specific space inside the cowork where we can see and actually manage our scheduled tasks. And now the first option, which is very interesting here, is to keep our computer awake. So it will prevent our computer from just getting asleep. And now you need to remember, basically to just perform the tasks actually that are scheduled, you need to have your computer on. And it also comes with the dispatch feature, and about it we talk in other video. But now what we can do, very simply, to start actually scheduling some task, we can create the task here, however about it in a while. Firstly, we are gonna go to some specific chat, and let me pick some chat where I performed some task. So let's say I've got a chat about fetching positive news from the internet, and now what I can do in order to turn it into a task, scheduled task, I can type /schedule, and then what it's gonna do, it's gonna add this task or even prepare for us this task to be added. And now from that moment, we would be able to schedule that task, let's say daily. So daily, just fetch the news. But the point is, you can literally go to any of your chats, like you can go, for example, here and just type schedule. And then you're gonna add everything what you did here. It's actually gonna summarize the action you performed in the specific chat itself, and it's gonna turn it into a task. So in that case, for example, it created the task name, the prompt for the task, and scheduling period. So every morning at 8 a.m., I can approve it. And then it's gonna add this task to our scheduled tab automatically. So all set, your positive news briefing is now scheduled to run every morning at 8 a.m. Here's a summary. When we go to this tab, specific tab, we can open and see this task. So we've got the instructions, and now it runs right here every day at 8 a.m. But now let's add the task manually. I'm gonna click on this button, so new task, and the title is gonna be tech news. The description also can be like the tech news, that doesn't matter, but what's important is a prompt. And in the prompt, I specified the request, so check X.com for daily news from the internet, specifically in the tech industry. Make sure to only take the events from the current day, and every day create a report in the PDF format in my folder, and send, I have here some error, and send the written form on Gmail to my email. Use the Claude Chrome extension to send an email. And for that case, also I can specify the frequency. I'm gonna do it daily at 9 a.m. Additionally, we've got more options, so I can select the model. Usually I leave it as default, and there I can specify the folder. So for example, I'm gonna create a new folder that's gonna be, let's create a new folder that's gonna be for PDFs or tech news PDF, whatever. And then every day inside this folder is gonna appear a new PDF file. I'm gonna click always allow, I'm gonna save it. And now to test out this specific task, scheduled task, I can run it now right here. So now it runs, and at the left side of the page, you've got a new tab, which is scheduled. And now here we can just take a look on the previous runs for our task. So let's say if it runs every day at 9 a.m., we are gonna have every day a new chat. Also, for example, if I run it once again right here, it's gonna pop up a new chat in this specific kind of folder drop-down menu. So this is the previous one. Let's stop it because this one runs. So what it does, it actually searches firstly the news about technology, and then it's gonna follow the process. Also, we've got the progress. So first it's gonna search the news, create a PDF report, and send an email to our email. And by this way, voila, you've got a system that runs every day, fetches the news, creates a report in PDF file, and sends you an email. what I want to emphasize here is that for sure you've got many chats where you were speaking with Claude for a long time, you were breaking the task step by step how to do it, and now with the schedule feature, you can literally go to any chat and then just type /schedule. So I would say with just spending 15 minutes, let's say you can find 5 chats with some tasks you did in the past, you can add them to the recurring tasks or even just save them here. They doesn't need to be recurring tasks. You can also go here, for example, and just disable this option. But what I mean, you can save the entire workflow. And then whenever you want to repeat that once again, you can just run it. And you can have everything in scheduled task tab. Right now, what I can see, it requires me to allow all browser actions. And actually it opened, I'm gonna show you, it opened the Gmail. And now literally it's gonna compose for me an email, provide my email address, the title and the summary. So we need to wait for that. In the meantime, we can go ahead and we can check our folder if we have here the PDF file. And this is the PDF file that was created. So we've got news from the day, which is April 6th. And all the news from our industry. That's totally perfect. Because once again, we can run it on autopilot every day. So now as you can see, it created for me the summary of the specific email, the title, and now is the email missing for me, but it's gonna fulfill that and just send to me this email. And now the email was sent to me with the entire summary, as we can see right there. So it was the first feature which is scheduled. Remember, if you schedule more tasks, for example, let's run this one, the new drop-down menu will appear right here, and you will be able to preview the chats, the runs that occurred in the past. And the second feature is gonna be projects. And now we have the entire breakdown, what projects are, how to use them, in the section about Claude application. So it's one of the last sections of this course, because here, when it comes to the chat, also we've got the projects. However, right now, let me explain that very quickly. So when we create a new project, we can literally start from scratch, import a project, so we can migrate actually our project from chat to Cowork. We can, for example, like choose this one and migrate it. Or also we can use our existing folder inside our computer and create a project. But now let's start from scratch. And basically, if you create a project, you literally just specify the space in Claude, kind of a folder, where you can host and just create new chats. And then, for example, let's say if you have instructions in this project, all chats across this folder will follow the instructions. Also, when you add files, let's say 10 different files, all chats you create in this project are gonna have access to these files. Additionally, all the chats gonna have the understanding what happened in other chats. So let's say if you had 2 specific chats in the project and you create a new chat, it's gonna have a context what happened in these 2 previous chats. For now, I can click, I can just provide the name, which is test. And additionally, what's very important, you can select a location for that project. And if you ever create some files, they are gonna appear in that folder itself. So we can click on create. And then what we can do, we can type some specific chats and they are gonna appear in this project, okay? They are gonna be hosted here. And once again, these chats gonna have an access to the instructions. You can schedule the tasks within the project. It's gonna have an access to the files you provide inside, also the memory and the folder you specify. If you already created a project inside Claude and you would like to add files that's gonna be accessible over all chats you ever create, you just go to the folder you specified. Also, we can go here and you can check your folder root. For now, I have this one opened. I can go here. And now what I can do, I can literally add the file right there. And it's gonna be right now visible right here. We just need to go ahead. Let's say we go once again right there. And we are gonna see this file and we can access it literally within our chats. So I can just type, for example, tell me something about anti-gravity PDF. So afterwards, it uses the PDF that it has in the project itself and it fetches the information from here. So projects is something that was for a really long time when it comes to Claude. We could create, when it comes to the chat, we could create some specific project. Once again, provide here the name of it, some description, and just do literally everything the same. However, we couldn't have added like the specific folder, specific like the root folder. But memory is here, instructions are here, and the files are here. So literally it's something the same. However, Entrophic wanted to add the projects within Cowork, and they did it by just adding here the tab. So now we can use projects also in Cowork.